Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. We're on episode 27 of our daily pack opening. Today we're going to do Silver Tempest right here. We got these two. My brother's getting that one. I got the Alolan, what was it, Full Pits. So out of this set for Silver Tempest, we're hoping for the Lugia. And code card, 1, 2, 3, 4. What do we get for the energy? Fire. Got Dragonair, Donphan, Dushin, I don't know, Murkrow, Swablu, Rotom, Baneri, Dreepy, Sandile, and Keldeo. My brother's up next. Psychic Energy, Stone Dragon, Earthborn, Draco, Petion, Chinchou, Ferocity, Pikachu, Bonita, Smirgle, and Raylusion. Alrighty, we don't have a binder for this set just yet, but we got some nice art cards in this. Let's see. I really like the Pikachu right here. And there was a nice one that I think it was this Baneri. For these two cards. Really nice art right there. Alrighty, till next time.